If you're a fan of Christopher Kimball's Milk Street, look no further than below for a fantastic recipe book with salmon. That's right, Christopher Kimball himself has come up with all of these recipes, and today we'll be making this one. It's a harissa roasted salmon with lemon, olive, and parsley relish. This dish is not just exquisite, but also really simple to make. So let's start off with our salmon, and today we're gonna be using Mowi salmon. Just looking at the package, you can see the marbling throughout the salmon, and that just tells me that this salmon has plenty of good fats in there and also lots of flavor. Let's start off by making our harissa rub. Now, harissa is a Middle Eastern red pepper paste. It comes usually spicy, but you can find mild versions out there too. If you don't have any harissa, well, you can't make this recipe. That's not true. I've actually used tomato paste instead of harissa, but try to look for it. You can go online and there are a lot of places that do sell them, or look inside of the international aisle at your supermarket. Harissa will most probably be there. Let's take some of this harissa paste, add some olive oil, some finely grated garlic cloves, lemon juice, and season it with salt. And this recipe usually calls for a really hot oven, but today we're gonna be air frying our salmon. Why? Because it works even better than any convection oven out there. So pop it directly into your air fryer and let it cook away. And while that cooks, we're gonna be making our relish. Now, instead of using parsley, I'm gonna be using some cilantro, which works just as well. Chop that up. Add the olives in there. Lemon zest, olive oil, and salt. And take a look at this. I'm gonna be serving this with some couscous. Top it with that relish, a few slices of lemon, and this perfect, elegant, easy, and exquisite dish is gonna be your favorite weeknight meal, guaranteed. And remember, for more Milk Street inspired Mowi salmon recipes, check out the link below.